Hey guys, welcome back. So today is Friday, the 3rd of January, 2025. Super excited about this one. This is gonna be a little bit more of an unboxing than some of my other videos that have just been kind of reviews lately. This is going to be for the Wolfpak Batman collaboration. Wolfpak is, I'm sure a lot of you guys maybe have some of these products, but they do like duffel bags, backpacks, gym equipment. Anyway, I have a lot of their stuff. I've definitely bought other things. I know they had like a Boba Fett or Star Wars edition. That is really cool. Cookie Monster one. The big thing with them is they do really cool collaborations, and their designs are just as cool. One of the things with the quality on them is, I will say, is they are top notch. I mean, these duffel bags, backpacks, and all their accessories are a little pricey. You can find stuff for cheaper, but the quality is exceptional. And also, I hadn't found anybody that had made this cool of a duffel bag um, or backpacks, especially this one being my favorite now, or I'm sure it's going to be my favorite. And this one is Batman. This is their Dark Knight Batman series. So I opened it up so you don't have to see me trying to break it open or whatever. So it comes with your slipping or packaging slip. Sorry. And then you get some of their ads. So there you go. Wolfpak. Maybe you've seen their commercials. And I guess they have this new thing. Anyway. So I ordered the 40-liter duffel bag and also all the patches that they had. It comes with some patches, and I'll show you right now, but I ordered the special edition extra 5. I'll show you those right now as well. The big thing with these is that it's for the 85-year anniversary of Batman. The Cookie Monster one that I have, that one only comes in 30-liter. So when I got that one, I was like, man, I wish it was a little bit bigger. It's great. It's small enough to where, you know, you can carry it on. This one's also carry on size, but for an airplane. But every once in a while, when I, let's say, you know, take a weekend trip, I want to be able to carry it with me in my truck and carry some extra stuff. And sometimes it was a little bit too small. It was great for the gym. It's got a lot of nice compartments, strong straps, the material's good. But I just wanted something a little bigger, and just by chance, they came out with Batman. So, of course, I was going to get it. I almost got the backpack also. The only thing is that I I just couldn't justify spending the extra money for a backpack. Much like the duffel bag. I mean, it's just a backpack. It's black. Has some Batman patches. But I already have the Boba Fett backpack. So I figured, no, I think the best thing here is for me to just do the duffel bag, be a little bit smarter with my money. Right? Anyway, so here we are. Enough about that. The patches come separately. I just cut it open. I haven't actually seen them in person. So let's see here. Okay, cool. I just cut them open. Let's see. So there you go. And this one, who is the Batman? Patch there. And this time it came with the little backing. Oh yeah, see. They have their collaboration with Warner Brothers DC. There you go. So there's that. That's cool because normally it just comes in a little piece of plastic like that. That's cool that they're moving up on their quality or just the presentation, if you will. So this one's Gotham City. Let's see made in Gotham City. Dang, that one's cool. And all of these are gonna be PVC. They are textured or like 3D. It's not just flat. Let's see if you guys can actually see it. No, I'll take them out a little bit maybe. Let's see, hold on. Yeah, you guys can see it there. It's raised and stuff like that, and it's stitched. It's got the hook and loop or Velcro, whatever you want to call it. So there's that one. Let's see. Batman, Gotham City Guardian. Cool. The Caped Crusader. There's that one. Man, I gotta tell you, this is like, I bought this for myself as a late Christmas present, and I gotta say I'm very happy with it so far. All right, and then this one is, oh, okay. It says Batman, and then you can see his outline here. Well, that's pretty cool. Like it's made in rocks or something. I don't know. So there's that. All of the other little postcards that it comes on, they're all the same. Sorry if I sound a little far off when I go off the camera. It's just I'm putting everything on the side. And like always, I've noticed that all their backpacks and duffel bags that I've ever purchased from them always come in a real nice Ziploc bag. It's that thick plastic. It's not just like it's not like that cellophane wrap. It's actual plastic. It comes sealed up. And then you have the Wolfpak symbol there again. Alright, let me get the box out of the way and the bag. Alright, let me see if I get that out here. Oh. And, oh yeah. Okay. So yeah, this one is bigger. Significantly bigger than the other one. Alright, let me move the camera a little bit. Let's see here. Okay. So here you can see the other patches. These come with it. It says Batman. He's there. Man, the detail. Let's see if I can get into the camera. Hold on. There we go. I mean, the detail's there. All this is textured and grooved. Let's see if I put it in angle. Yeah, you guys can see how it's like 3D. It's not just printed on there. Also staged. You have the Batman symbol there. This one says The Dark Knight. And if I'm not mistaken, I could be wrong, but the inside should have some little goodies in there. Like they give you like a challenge coin type thing. Sorry guys, I should have prepared this a little better, but I want to do like a true like surprise unboxing. Or yeah, I knew it was in it, but I haven't actually like taken it out or anything like that. It's like tangled up. Okay, sorry, that's probably easier if I just open. So on the handles, they're really strong. You have the never average on the straps, always something else. It's like their motto. So you open it up, it releases them. Let's see. Okay, there we go. Now I'm able to get it out. Don't judge me, guys. I'm trying to do this as quickly as possible. Even if it doesn't seem that way. All right. So now we open it up. Yeah, it's a big duffel bag there. Let me back up slightly here. Okay. So yeah, it's big. It's got the big thing here. This is the 40 liter. They do have them in different sizes. They have like little tactical bags, backpacks, all kinds of stuff. So you can see the accents are yellow here. Like I said, when they do the different collaborations or themes, they like go all out. Like everything's colored a certain way just to match whatever they're trying to do on it. The cool thing about these bags, if it matters to you, they do open all the way on the back so that you can like lay it down like this to get your stuff in there, maybe organize your clothes. It does have another pouch in here. You have the Wolfpak Never Average patch in there. And then on this side, you have a little zippered compartment. So you can either leave it closed, or if you open it, it makes this little part of the, like a sack, come out this way, pocket, whatever it's called, come out. And I'll show you why that matters in a little bit. And then here we have zippered, like with the mesh, I guess maybe toiletries or some dirty clothes if you want to put in there, so it doesn't touch everything else. It's clean. I don't know, whatever you decide to use it for. All right, so there's that. Put that one back. Put that up, I'm sorry. And here you have another Velcroed little pocket. We come to the right side of the bag. You guys still see it? Yeah. Right side of the bag, you do see you have your clip here in case you want to take it off to not have the strap on there. And then here's what I was talking about from the inside. You take these straps off, and if you open this pocket, right now it's just like a pocket, regular pocket. Maybe put some stuff in here, and you see you have all this extra part of the pocket, like a little bag. Well, if you open the zipper from the inside, you can push this through, and it'll go into the bag. And what that's for is for your sneakers or your shoes, just in general. In case, you know, you wear them to the gym and you got to change. You don't want your smelly gym shoes to be with all the clean stuff. So it makes it its own little compartment and doesn't let everything else get wet or dirty. It just stays in this one side of the compartment. Then we'll close this back up for now. It does come with these little clips. All right, so now we're back to the front. This does have, oh, you know what? That's cool. So on my other one, it had the little Velcro here. This one actually has a zipper pocket here, the front. Oh, cool. Yeah, Batman. All right, so there's that. What else do we have up front? I'm trying to see if there's any differences. Okay, this is another one. So on the other one, it did have these little feet. It does have the feet there, so it's not just touching the ground. Oh, cool. There you go. It says Wolfpak, and this is like, I don't know if it's leather or it's pleather, as they say, but it has a nice texture to it. Like I said, these are going to be some quality bags. You're paying a bit, but you're also getting a lot from it. It's not just like, you know, just a regular cheapo $20 duffel bag. All right, so back to right here. So this is the bottom side right here. So if you have it fluffed up, it'd be there, puffed up, whatever. It's like that, right? And then here, I've never used this pocket. You can't get it without it, but there you go. It's another little compartment. This is for a laptop or like a tablet or some stuff. Maybe if you want to conceal it. That way, you know, if you're at the gym, someone goes to your bag, they may not think to, oh, let me open this random little pocket here. But I think on the website, if I'm not mistaken, it says it's for a laptop or a tablet, and it's in there separate from everything else. It does have this padding here in the feet, so it's not just on the ground. Back to this side. Let's see. Man, I forget the first couple days, it's still like so new that I should have probably stuffed it with something. Then you got your Batman tag there. Okay, sorry. I'm all over the place, guys. I don't prep for these videos. I literally start recording and then you get the product of what happens. All right, so in here, a big pocket. All right, so inside you have another little pocket, then a mesh pocket, and then some good space. In here, when they're flat, it's flat, but then as you can see on the side here, it'll open up and it'll give you a pretty decent amount of space. Stick your chalk or whatever you might want to stick in there. And then here, these two have flaps. And right here on this side, it's got the Velcro here, hook and loop, whatever you want to call it. On one side, it's just a regular material. And then on this side, it's kind of like felt, that smoother fabric. I'm assuming maybe this is for like your phone or something, so it doesn't scratch your screen. Let's see what's on this side. This is normally, okay, and then you can see there's their patch right there, their logo. Never Average, Wolfpak. Established 2020, and they are from California. Same thing on this side. You got the little pocket with the Velcro. Anything in there? No, and it also has that like felt feeling in here. And here's where on everything else, normally you get the little goodies. Oh, maybe this one doesn't have, oh yeah, there's something in here. Okay. All right, so you have like replacement pull tabs, and these are black. Normally they send them the same color as everything else, but you know, it doesn't bother me. I hope to not need the pull tabs replaced, but they do. They got some black ones there. And then, oh, I guess that's it. Normally they send you like a little challenge coin, but yeah, I don't feel it in here. I don't see it in here. It's like a wolf coin that says Never Average, if that matters to you. Or if you purchase their other stuff and now you're like, wait, I didn't get my coin. I don't care. But you might. Maybe I'll call them, see if they forgot it. But I'm sure they're going to want to charge me for shipping, which I don't need the coin, so they can keep it. And then we turn to the final side. On this side, you do have this button to close it up, and it's supposed to be so on this, or you have elastic here. On each one of these you can put blender bottles to carry bottles, or just use it as another compartment. Sorry guys if I'm getting off the camera. I'm not used to having one of these bigger bags or bigger items when I'm doing these. So, like I said, this one just arrived today. It just got released on Christmas Day. Uh, and yeah, it came in. I just did the regular shipping, free shipping. If you spend over a certain amount, they ship it out for free. And yeah, that's what came in today. I'm super excited. I've been carrying my Boba Fett backpack to the gym because I'm not using the Cookie Monster one for the gym because, like I said, it was just a little too small for me. I do carry quite a few things because after work, I'll just throw everything in that bag and take off. Yeah, this is awesome. So the quality's there. Like I said, guys, you can buy a duffel bag for 20, 30 bucks, I'm sure. This one for me is special because it's Batman. Got the other patches that I'll try to figure out how to stick on here. Maybe they'll fit at least a few of them. If not, I kind of got the extra patches just for a collector's item. I have a big Batman collection, as you can probably tell. But my picture is Batman. The channel's name has to do with Batman. But they're great. I have no complaints with them. I'm not one to spend a lot of money when I can find something cheaper. But I do think that especially on something you might travel with or use on a daily basis, which my gym bag I do at least 5 times a week, it's just worth it. And if you guys have this, if you guys purchased it, let me know if you guys already got yours, if you guys are liking it. If anybody else got this one, excuse me, if you guys can let me know if you got the challenge coin. I'm just wondering if maybe they just stopped putting them in there. And the big thing, eventually I want to do some giveaways on the channel. So if you guys can please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. If you have, thank you. Like, comment, and share the video, share my channel. If you guys like the content I'm doing or have any suggestions on some things you want me to review, I do those as well. Some of my other reviews have been based on people asking me like, hey, I want to maybe buy this thing. Is there any way you can buy it and review it? And sure enough, if I have the money, a little bit extra money, I'll go ahead and do that for you guys. If you guys have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Thank you, guys.